Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you a quick and super easy way to clean your synthetic brushes after using acrylic paint. This method will keep your brushes in great shape for a long time. So let's get started. I have got my synthetic brushes here, and the first thing we are going to do is lay them out on a napkin or paper towel. Now I'm going to fill a large bowl with warm water, not too hot, just warm enough to loosen the acrylic paint. We will dip our brushes in this water to soften the paint. Next, I have another bowl with some dishwashing liquid. It works wonders on acrylic paint and it's gentle on brushes too. I'm taking a small amount of soap, applying it to each brush and gently rubbing it in with my fingers. You don't want to press too hard, just enough to break down the paint. Once I have cleaned all the brushes with soap, I move on to the final step, rinsing. I place the brushes in a separate bowl of clean water to remove the soap. It's important to change the water 6 or 7 times to make sure all the soap is out. We don't want any leftover residue drying on the bristles. After they are rinsed, I lay the brushes back on a clean napkin to dry completely. And that's it. A simple, effective way to keep your brushes looking like a new. Remember, taking care of your brushes will save you money and make your painting process so much smoother. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more art tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments how you clean your brushes and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.